In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a code block to a page section. If you need to place custom code inside a specific section of your page, this process is simple once you know where to click. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the section you want to edit, insert a code block, choose the correct code type, and save everything properly so your changes are kept. To begin, go to the page section you want to update and click Edit. Make sure you're working in the exact section where you want the code to appear, because the placement matters. If you add the code to the wrong section, it may show up in an unexpected location or affect a different part of the page than you intended. Taking a moment here to confirm the correct section can save time later. Once you're inside the editor for that section, look for the Add Block button, usually shown with a plus sign. Click that and then choose Code from the available block options. This inserts a dedicated area where you can place custom code directly into that section. Using a code block is helpful because it keeps your custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript organized within the page builder instead of mixing it into other content. After the code block is added, set the mode to the type of code you want to use. Choose HTML if you're adding structure or embedded elements, CSS if you want to control styling and appearance, or JavaScript if your snippet adds interactive behavior. Selecting the right mode is important because it helps ensure your code is handled correctly and is easier to manage later if you come back to edit it. Next, paste your code snippet into the code block. Before saving, it's a good idea to quickly review the snippet for formatting issues, missing characters, or anything that may have been copied incorrectly. Even a small typo in code can affect how it works, so this quick check can help prevent errors. When everything looks good, click Save. That will apply your changes to the section and store the code you added. After saving, you may want to preview the page and confirm that the code behaves the way you expect. If something doesn't look right, you can return to the same section, open the code block again, and make adjustments. And that's it! You've successfully added a code block to your page section, selected the appropriate code mode, inserted your snippet, and saved your changes.